Slowly. Kinuha kong bangka ma'am, malaki, pang 10 tong tao ma'am. Para maganda ma'am, maluwag tayo. O nga, terno ako eh. Ang dami nakapuna to na yung pali-pala yun po. Okay sir.
Okay.
What's your name sir?
Dave.
Sir Dave. May sounds na kayo Bluetooth. Hindi ko pa nasingilin yung bayad sa pain. Mamaya na lang. Sinabi ko naman na eh. Meron ba? Nakita nila? Hirapan ako yung wala akong salamin, hindi mo na balik agad ng gabi. Pag market namin ng gabi, ang hirap. Malabo mata ko kasi pag yung gusto eh. This beach sir, ma'am, is Iligan Beach. Yeah, Iligan. Hindi tayo makapuka, no? Hindi tayo makapuka beach, no? Hindi, kaya. Kaya hindi. Sige lang, pag hindi kaya. Yan.
Thank you, sir.
Wash your head. Nakakuha na pala agad ng buko si ma'am eh.
Here, finish it. It's yours.
Hey, don't spill it. Roll it that way.
Alis na tayo. Yan. Iligan Beach po to. Yan. ready na ang ano natin para magpi-fishing na yung guests natin. Maglalagay na ng pain. Filipino style lang to, traditional ha, mano-mano. Nagpipishing na guys natin. Yan.
Release ma'am. Release niya ma'am. Release mo lang ma'am. Release mo lang. Nakabot na ano yun ma'am.
Fishing sila. Fishing. Traditional fishing lang to. Ginagawa nila sir ma'am. Yan.
Can buy it.
May huli na tayo. Yun, may huli na. Yan. Isa pa lang, one down.
It's a lot harder.
Meron ma'am?
Got three at the same time. Yeah. Oh my God.
Joshua!
Three.
Taking our fish. That's what is the fish.
Look!
Yeah, taking our fish.
How did you do that?
You want to take picture?
Take picture of mine.
Dito lapit mo kay ma'am, konti.
Ano ma'am?
Wow. Oh, 3 oh.
Caleb, look at his bag. Caleb, just pretend you're holding it. Give me that. Just pretend, look at your bag.
Your back.
Look at your bag.
Here. Stand up.
Oh.
Stand up. Hold the line.
You hold. Yeah, take photo.
Wow, Caleb got a fish!
Wow. Fish.
How did you do that? Did you faint or did you put it on?
Hey ma'am. Diyan kumain lang talaga sila.
Wow.
Tatlo ka da, no?
Ganyan dapat, no? Sabi mo pa lang na alat ako, di.
Nakadali, no?
Nakadali agad, no?
Nausog kanina eh.
Usog eh.
Oo. Ngayon nalawayan. Dali.
Di.
Oh, may apat na oh.
Nausog kasi kanina yun.
May apat na huli na tayo. Ang lalaki. Apat na kilo isa na ito. Nakadali si ma'am. Ma'am Sarap.
Yeah!
3 kilos. Nakahuli si ma'am oh. Galing.
Okay, you do it. This. Oh.
Nakadali si ma'am Sara ng
You wanna try it? Do you
islang
still
bato.
have it, Joshua, look! Yes, you wanna look at it? Oh, it's so pretty.
Lagyan natin ng pain mo.
Galing ni ma'am ha. Di kita.
And look, that's
Wow.
someone done. Oh, we don't have.
Yan, meron tayong huli. Yan.
Galing na.